What's up, YouTube? Welcome to our channel, Taquana and LaJuan, and I'm LaJuan.
And I'm Taquana.
And welcome to our channel. We are back with another challenge video, and today we are doing the hot fries waters challenge. This is gonna be so disgusting.
And disgusting. Yeah.
I already know this is gonna be so It's gonna be nasty.
I'm scared, y'all.
But it's a challenge. Yeah. We don't heard about it. We ain't seen too many people do it, but we just gonna try it out, see what happens. Just wanna know what it's like.
Right.
So, for those who don't know what this is, we both got a water bottle, and we got these hot fries. And you're gonna stick the hot fries. We're gonna put the same amount of hot fries inside the water bottle. Shake it up, get all the sauce off the hot fries, and we're just gonna drink it. See who can drink the water bottle the fastest.
It's that simple. Sounds simple, but it's not simple.
I know this is gonna be nasty. It's gonna be nasty.
Alright, well.
We probably need to drink a little bit of water down, though.
Yeah, just a little bit.
So the water won't be coming all out. Drink a little bit down. We gotta drink it down. Let's drink it down to this
to the
line.
Design?
Yeah.
The top of the design, right there.
Or what's the middle of it?
The middle of it.
In them two lines. Like that middle part.
Okay.
Alright. Gonna drink it down a little bit. There yet. Let me see.
I think mine at the top of the line.
Mine's is too.
A little bit more?
Well, shoot, we both at the top of the line, though. We might as well just leave it there.
Okay.
Because we might get off track.
That's fine.
Alright, so we both at the top of the line. We're going to put these hot Cheetos in. I gotta eat these.
I do too, y'all. It's hard to
I ain't
resist.
had eating so long, but it's so good. Only one more. Two more.
So good. Alright.
Alright.
Let's get to business.
Yeah, done good. I should have bought 2 bags. Alright. First one going in.
One.
2. We got 2 right here.
Okay. 3. 4.
4. 5. 6. 7. 8.
9.
9. 10. 11. 12. 13. Make mine go down a little bit. Well, it's good.
Okay.
You know, I can't fit. What we on?
13.
Alright, 13.
14.
14. 15. 16.
Woohoo.
Oh my god, this junk gonna be nasty, bro. 17. 18.
I just hate that like burning throat feeling.
Yeah.
Not, ooh. 19.
19. 20. 21.
22.
22. Forgot I had that on tape.
23.
24. 25. 26.
Oh shoot.
27. 28. 29.
Ooh, water starting to have that foamy feeling at the top. 30.
30. Oh man, look at it, man. Oh my god.
This is it so far, y'all.
These are crazy.
Starting to change.
Alright.
31.
31. 32. 33. 34. 35. Oh my God, this shit gonna
36.
be nasty. 36.
37. 38.
39.
40.
40. Look at it. 40. Getting down deep in there.
Mm-hmm.
Falling at the bottom.
Yep.
We're gonna keep going. 41. And 4.
Yeah.
42. 43.
44. 45.
46.
47. 48.
Oop. 48. 49.
50.
50. Oh, man.
51. 52. 53. Oh, God.
Ooh, it's starting to come to the top.
Right.
What we on? 52?
53.
Or 53?
Yeah, 54.
53. Oh, this 54 right
Yeah.
here? All right, 54. Oh, mine's just about to come up to the top now.
Okay.
Yours ain't, though, is it?
I don't know how. We got the same amount in there.
All right, hold on. Let's see if I like can move mine
Push it
around
down.
a little bit. Put the top on.
I need another hot fry, y'all. So hard to resist. It's
Yeah,
so good.
These are better than hot Cheetos to me.
At the moment, they are to me, too. I tried to eat some hot Cheetos, and I couldn't even finish them.
Mine's ain't going. Oh, well, that's probably what I
Okay.
need to do. Yeah.
Like some type of wobbler or something.
Like a science experiment. All right. It almost like it's about to fizz up, like it's
Yeah, it is.
like it's a soda or something.
Maybe we need to stop. You think we need to add some more? Because yours still don't like it went down, but mine pretty much full. I mean,
Yeah, mine's is pretty much way at the top.
okay, I'm going to shake mine. You had the same.
I'm just eat these 2 hot fries that's on the table. And a few more. You don't want to be on the empty stomach during chilling. You want to be on E.
It's so good, y'all. So shake it up. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up.
Get all that sauce off the Cheetos.
Mm-hmm.
My bottle, the water like went all the way to the top like I ain't never drunk nothing out of it. And I added some more.
Shoot. At least your water went to the top. It's like mine. I don't need to add no more.
The way yours look, it looks like you gonna get straight hot fries when you
Right.
drink yours.
Oh, from the top.
Oh man, look at this.
Mm.
Oh, it's gonna be crazy, y'all. Get more hot fries.
It's crazy, y'all, how we put the same amount. They both kind of have a different look, but ultimately,
I can't stop eating the hot fries.
rainbow. Me either. Stop. Gonna make me keep going too.
All right.
All right. All right. We'll say these right.
Yeah. I'm about to get crazy. We both got the sauce off the hot fries. I'm about to see what
They pretty
happens.
much look the same because yours to the top like that too.
Yeah.
Ooh, this is interesting, y'all. Just smells hot.
It don't smell bad though. It just
No.
smell, you know.
Smell like that seasoning.
Yeah.
All right. Ready?
No. All right. Let's go.
Let's see who could finish the fastest, y'all. All right.
Who think gonna win? Comment now.
Ready?
Set. Go. Ooh. This is nasty. It ain't as nasty as I thought it was gonna be, but it's still
It's
nasty. Okay.
It took me a minute to even swallow it.
Oh, this is nasty. Oh.
This can't be right. I'm not supposed to drink stuff like this.
Oh, I want to go down your throat. Oh my God. Ah.
Careful.
I ain't trying to lose though, man.
Crazy. Drinking hot fries and water.
That's Chloe over there. I couldn't even swallow that one. It was just sitting in my
It
mouth.
make you want to gag when you swallow it.
I'm almost done, man. So. Hey, oh my God. I ain't about to lose. I can't lose. Can't lose.
Oh, heck no. Okay. I'll take that L. He won, y'all. Swallow. Good. I ain't drinking no more of that. I'm gonna throw up.
It was complete.
That was nasty, y'all.
I need some hot Cheetos after that.
Yeah, shit taste in the mouth.
Oh, that was nasty.
And I gladly lost that challenge. How much I had left
I
though?
mean, that was just good. I'm surprised I finished that the way I just did.
Oh yeah, I had a ways to go and catch up to you. Look.
Oh yeah, she had a good little way to go.
I thought I was close.
Yeah, mine's complete. There ain't nothing but hot fries in there. That's it. Yeah, so that's the hot fries bar challenge. It was interesting.
Mhm.
Kind of nasty too, but yeah, if y'all know any more challenges that y'all would like to see us do,
Please
just
let
comment.
us know.
Yeah,
Yep.
you can comment on this video or any of our other videos. Go in
Let
our
us know.
go in our description box.
Mhm.
Follow us on our social medias, and you can tell us what challenges you would like to see us do, or pranks, or that matter
Yeah,
too.
that too.
Cause we got pranks coming.
Right.
We got them coming.
So stand
Yeah.
by, y'all.
Yeah, they coming. They on the way. Yes.
Anyway.
Yeah, so please make sure to comment, like.
Oh God.
Please make sure to comment, like, subscribe.
Yes.
Tell
people about us.
Yeah. Tell your mama, your daddy, your brother, your sister, your auntie, your uncle, your cousin.
Yep. Share the videos.
Yeah, share them, screenshot them.
Yes.
Everything.
Everything. And we hope you guys enjoyed that.
Yeah, we'll
Thank
be
you
back
for
with more.
watching. See you.
Peace.